For the first step in our pizza project, we need to make a placemat. You should get a piece of paper like this with your name already on it. Next, you're going to get these red squares to make a checkerboard-like placemat. So for the first row, in the first square, I'm going to put a red square on that one. I'm going to skip the second one, put a red square on the third one, skip the fourth, put a red square on the fifth one. Now for the next row, you don't want to put the next square right below the first one that you did. I actually want to skip this one and put it on the second. Skip that one, put it on the next. And I'm going to keep doing that until I get to the last row and my whole paper is filled. Once your paper looks like this, you're going to take a glue stick or a glue bottle and start gluing down these squares one at a time. When I'm done, sometimes I like to flip my paper over and give it a nice massage. Next, you're going to get some pizza ingredients. This brown circle is going to be the crust. You're going to want to glue that on your placemat first with a glue stick or glue bottle. Again, sometimes I like to flip my paper over and give it a massage. If there's any loose pieces of your circle sticking up, you're going to want to add some extra glue to make sure it stays. The next red circle is our pizza sauce. You're going to glue that on top of the brown. Next, you're going to get a couple of options for pizza toppings. So these yellow rectangles are going to be the cheese for your pizza. And you can just glue down as many of those as you want to. You don't need a lot of glue for these because as you can see, they're really thin. Next, I'm going to add some green triangles, and these are supposed to be basil. Basil is what you would see on a margarita pizza. A margarita pizza is just cheese, sauce, and basil. And then next, I'm going to add some pepperoni. For the pepperoni, I'm going to take this cup. I'm going to dip the bottom of the cup into my paint. I want to make sure that the bottom is covered. And then I'm just going to stamp my pepperoni onto my pizza. It should look like that, and I can do that a couple of times since I have enough paint on there. But if you don't have enough paint, just go ahead and dip the cup in the paint one more time or two more times, however many pepperonis you want. Once I've got the amount that I want, I'm also going to add some olives, and I'm going to use this marker cap. I'm going to do the same thing as I did with the cup. I'm going to dip it in the black paint this time. And then I'm just going to stamp my olives onto my pizza. Once you're done with this, you're going to put it on the drying rack.